Make these safer craft sparklers for your gatherings and special celebrations. For ours, we use tissue paper, foil and cellophane. Place your papers landscape and fold them in half. Place them inside one another like a booklet. Take some scissors and cut strips along the open edge. Leave around 2 centimeters from the bottom. Place your stick at the edge of your paper and tape it in place. Roll to gather up the craft papers around your stick. Once you reach the end, secure in place with some tape. Follow along for lots more fun daily craft and play ideas.